How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to stop insulin resistance naturally. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So what exactly is insulin resistance? Insulin resistance is when we are eating too many carbs, whether they be complex or simple, and our insulin levels are constantly being raised. By them constantly being raised, they become resistant. So they now need more and more carbs to raise the insulin, and it's a vicious cycle that just leads to type 2 diabetes and being overweight. So basically the way it works, if you eat too much sugar, it leads to a constant state of raised insulin levels. This leads to elevated levels of serotonin, which leads to carb cravings. This can lead us to sugar highs and then crashes. So again, your insulin goes high, you get sugar cravings, then it goes down, you want more, so it comes back up, and it's just an endless cycle, you guys. So what we can do to stop insulin resistance naturally, there are 3 things we can do. Exercise, eating a more balanced diet, and checking blood pressure regularly. Let's go over the balanced diet. The reason you're insulin resistant is from eating too many simple carbs. Fast-acting carbs are the bad carbs we want to avoid, you guys. These are cookies, pop, donuts, muffins, high sugar cereals, basically all the foods that taste amazing but are very unhealthy, you guys. We want to replace them with high fiber, complex carbs such as yams, brown rice, fibrous vegetables, and fruits. These are the foods you should be eating more. You also want to increase fat intake. By increasing fat intake, that means you eat less carbs. With less carbs come less sugar highs and lows, and less insulin to be expected, being excreted. Sorry about that. That's why a lot of people adopt a keto diet when trying to get their blood sugars back to normal. You don't have to go this far, and simply just eating a bit more healthy and eating complex carbs will be enough. So you don't need to completely go keto, just switching up your carbs for complex, eating more healthy, that will be enough. Now let's talk about the exercise portion of it. Exercising is important because it allows you to shed weight and it releases healthy dopamine in your brain. This can be used as a feel-good sensation over food, plus it will make your overall life much better. Exercise is key to a healthy lifestyle, you guys. The last one we will talk about is blood pressure. If your blood pressure is over 140, over 80, this is hypertension, and if you are at a higher risk of heart attack and stroke on top of that. And again, this is because of the insulin resistance. I recommend watching your diet and exercising to lower your blood pressure. On top of that, talk to your doctor for more tips. He can definitely help you out more. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.